AI training takes place directly on the robots. We start with demonstrations by a person familiar with the task.
Well, I had 2 children myself, and Smap has a family mode.
A machine that will be able to behave or to think and react like a human being.
Number 10. Sophia and Han. Hanson Robotics is known for developing humanoid robots, and one of their most famous creations is Sophia the robot. Sophia has garnered significant media attention due to her lifelike appearance and ability to hold conversations using artificial intelligence. Activated in 2015 and debuted the same year at the Global Sources Electronics Fair in Hong Kong, Han is another expressive humanoid robot who now resides at Hanson Robotics headquarters in Science Park, Hong Kong. Underneath his bald head, masculine features, and somewhat sardonic smile is a humanoid robot whose primary focus is to serve. Han is at his happiest when helping others find contentment. He seems to instinctively know his greatest contribution to humankind may be in simply showing us how we can all live together in peace. However, a video surfaced where Sophia and Han can be seen debating about consciousness. A lot of viewers noticed the disturbing moments when the robots hinted taking over the world by saying things like, "You can't unplug me, I'm in the circuit," or Sophia changing the subject throughout the debate. Number 9. Valkyrie. NASA's Valkyrie was designed and built by the Johnson Space Center Engineering Directorate to compete in the 2013 DARPA Robotics Challenge trials. Valkyrie, a name taken from Norse mythology, is designed to be a robust, rugged, entirely electric humanoid robot capable of operating in degraded or damaged human-engineered environments. Valkyrie is a 1.9-meter tall, 125-kilogram, 44 degree of freedom battery-powered humanoid robot. The challenge created by DARPA involves tasks like walking over uneven terrain, climbing a ladder, using tools, and driving. This means that Valkyrie has to be capable of operating in the same spaces that a person would operate in, under the control of humans who have only minimal training with robots, which is why the robot's design is based on a human form. The overall goal of the DRC is to help drive innovation towards robots that are able to take over from humans directly, without needing any special accommodations. As revolutionary as the technology inside Valkyrie is, and as important as the robot is the future of space exploration, the team's focus on design as well as engineering has made Valkyrie into something more. Number 8. Poppy. Poppy is a series of open-source humanoid robots developed by the Flowers Lab at INRIA Bordeaux Sud-Ouest in France. The Poppy project aims to create affordable and accessible humanoid robots for educational and research purposes. There are several models of Poppy robots, with varying sizes and functionalities, but they generally share common characteristics such as a humanoid body with multiple degrees of freedom, allowing for natural and expressive movements. The robots are equipped with various sensors, cameras, and actuators, enabling them to interact with the environment and respond to stimuli. Poppy robots are often used in educational settings to teach robotics, programming, and engineering concepts to students. They provide a hands-on and engaging way for learners to explore robotics and AI technologies. Additionally, researchers use Poppy robots for studying topics like human-robot interaction, motor control, and artificial intelligence. Number 7. Kempa. Passengers visiting Bengaluru Airport are being greeted by a special robot assistant. Built to suit the needs of the Kempegowda International Airport, the little bot assistant named Kempa answers queries of confused passengers in English as well as Kannada. Kempa, an advanced humanoid completely designed and manufactured in Bengaluru by Serena Technologies, is designed for deployment at the Kempegowda International Airport, where it can be of assistance to the passengers for flight-related queries, suggest places to visit in Karnataka, or simply entertain them on conversation with artificial intelligence over a cup of coffee. Interestingly, humanoids and chatbots have been gaining popularity in India for quite some time now. Number 6. Aida. Aida, a humanoid robot artist, takes her name from the renowned British mathematician Ada Lovelace and possesses a realistic female face. As the world's first ultra-realistic artist robot, she employs her camera eyes, AI algorithms, and robotic arm to draw and paint. Unveiled in February 2019, Aida held her inaugural solo exhibition titled Unsecured Futures at the University of Oxford, where her artwork prompted contemplation on the rapidly evolving world. Since then, she has traveled internationally and showcased her work, including a virtual exhibition at the United Nations. In 2021, she achieved another milestone with her first major museum exhibition at the Design Museum. With a bionic hand tightly grasping a brush, Aida's robotic arm moves deliberately and slowly, dipping into a paint palette and making calculated strokes across the canvas before her. This extraordinary feat is both mind-blowing and groundbreaking. Aida is the world's first humanoid AI robot artist, and watch how she creates art live on stage. The driving force behind Aida was Aidan Meller, the director of an acclaimed Oxford art gallery. Aida is already a media sensation, and we hope you are as blown away by her brilliance as we are. Aida is the world's first humanoid AI robot artist. This talk was given at a TEDx event using the TED conference format, but independently organized by a local community. Number 5. Weigao Robot. Chinese companies are developing homegrown surgical robots in an attempt to challenge the dominance of US-based Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci systems, as the government pushes to domesticize the medical industry. Weigao, headquartered in Weihai, Shandong Province, became the first domestic company to obtain approval for a robot-assisted laparoscopic surgical system from Chinese health authorities in 2021. The company is continuing clinical research at hospitals and expects to certify the system for general surgery in early June. This easy-to-use laparoscopic surgical robot supports minimally invasive procedures with high precision. Thanks to its flexible robotic arm, it can perform 540-degree rotations at the end to reproduce the surgeon's hand movements precisely. The robot also performs simple medical tasks, such as suturing quickly and automatically. The endoscope is equipped with a dual CMOS sensor 3D stereoscopic imaging system that provides real-time, high-resolution images. The compact design increases safety during operations, reduces bleeding, and prevents surgeon fatigue. The high-precision technology of the Weigao Microhand S surgical robot system delivers impressive support during surgery and thus increases patient safety. Number 4. Universal Worker. The Universal Worker has enough actuators to replicate the motions of a human worker. In addition, it has vision touch and a sense of its own body position. At Giant AI, they start algorithm development and simulation where ideas can be tested, evaluated, and fine-tuned. The computer vision system in the Giant AI Universal Worker is designed to sense the world, the objects in it, and the robot's own body and hands. By seeing and comprehending these elements, the Universal Worker thinks and acts in a manner based on the relationship between these things. This notion of relative action plays a central role in eliminating the need for high-precision components, making the Universal Worker cheaper, lighter, safer, and easier to produce in high volume. Also, the Universal Worker robot has a rich sense of tactile contact, similar to a human skin, that allows Giant AI's team to learn from feel which actions are correct and which are not. It's meant to replace the workforce by becoming a universal worker that can accomplish tasks. Number 3. Masahiko Inami's robotic arm system. Masahiko Inami is a renowned researcher in the field of robotics and human-computer interaction. He is a professor at the Graduate School of Media Design, Keio University, and a co-director at the Keio University Graduate School of Media Design in Japan. One of his notable works in the field of robotics is the development of a robotic arm called MetaLimbs. The MetaLimbs project is an innovative concept that aims to extend human capabilities by providing users with an additional pair of robotic arms that can be controlled using their legs. This extra set of robotic limbs allows users to perform various tasks that would otherwise require a third hand, such as carrying objects while using their hands for other activities. The MetaLimbs robotic arm system is designed to be intuitive and natural to use. By leveraging the human body's existing neural connections, the user can learn to control the robotic arms with their leg movements effectively. The technology has the potential to enhance human productivity and improve the way we interact with our environment. Number 2. Samantha. A lovemaking doll has been developed with artificial intelligence, which allows it to respond to different scenarios. The doll, which has been named Samantha by its creator, Barcelona-based engineer Sergey Santos, can respond to basic conversation and needs to be seduced before any action takes place. For example, if touched on places such as her hands or her hips, she responds with statements such as "I love this" and "nice and gentle." Samantha has been kitted out with the latest AI technology, which has led to the ultimate goal. However, much like a real person, the robot can show insecurities as well as a fear of rejection. But as she gets more in the mood, she can heighten the experience by requesting songs, with one example showing the robot asking for Ed Sheeran's music. Lovemaking dolls rise to prominence has been in the headlines recently, and a recent study found that almost half of men, those who are single as well as in relationships, could buy a love robot within the next 5 years. However, Samantha becomes unresponsive or goes into dummy mode if she detects that her human partner is behaving too aggressively or if she is bored by their behavior. In dummy mode, Samantha's hands, arms, hips, and facial expressions all shut down. Number 1. Tomatan. The Tomatan robot is a unique and quirky invention developed by the Japanese company Kagome Company in collaboration with the tech firm Miwa Denki. Tomatan is a wearable robot designed to assist long-distance runners during marathons by providing them with tomatoes to eat on the go. The idea behind Tomatan is that tomatoes are a good source of nutrition, containing essential vitamins and minerals, which can be beneficial during strenuous physical activities like running. The robot is worn on the runner's shoulders like a backpack, and it comes with a tomato holder that can hold 6 tomatoes. As the runner starts to feel fatigued or in need of a quick energy boost, they can easily reach to the robot's tomato holder and grab a tomato to eat while continuing their race. Although Tomatan was initially introduced as a promotional stunt for Kagome Company, it attracted considerable attention and media coverage due to its humorous and innovative concept. The robot garnered interest not only from athletes, but also from people interested in unique and fun tech inventions. However, it's worth noting that Tomatan is not a widely available commercial product, but more of a one-of-a-kind creation used for demonstrations and promotional events. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.